It is football weather out here on the patio.
And we're ready.
Michelle Renee is dressed up for the occasion. We've got Angie Horkan with WisconsinBeefTips.com here to talk about a game day grilling recipe. We're mixing it up a little bit today. Something you could do in a crock pot or in a pot like you've got. What are we making?
So it's called our Big Game Frito Pie. So it's kind of a nice, simple chili recipe. I kind of call it a chili recipe. It seems very chili-ish. And make that ahead because it takes about an hour. And then serve it over Fritos. So it's like a walking taco, which are great too. So it's kind of portable, but it's a chili over Fritos. So I started with 2 pounds of lean ground beef. I browned that up just in my stock pot, and I got about 1 medium onion diced. Then we're gonna add in a can of Rotel tomatoes with the diced green chilies.
Those come in so handy. Always good to have one in the cupboard, right?
That heat, you know, they're kind of, they add a lot of flavor.
We like the heat this time of the year.
Well, that's true. This is good. Yeah, we're going to add a lot of heat to this. 1 small can of tomato sauce. And then some, one can of beer. So your favorite beer, whatever you got.
Beer? This must be a secret ingredient.
Yes. And then cumin, garlic, chili powder, and a little cayenne if you like to make it a little bit warmer, to warm us up.
All the good stuff.
Yeah. So very simple recipe, but kind of stir it up, bring it to a boil, turn it down, and then cover, simmer an hour. There's the finished. How's that look?
Yeah. I mean, that looks great. It's just missing the cheese and some sour cream and some Fritos.
Fritos. You guys want to grab a bag of Fritos?
Yeah, let's serve it up here.
I got a couple
I can smell the beer.
Can you?
Oh, yeah. Smell that coming through.
Nothing more Wisconsin than this right here.
You could add whatever your favorite beer is. I just used a light beer when I ever had in my basement refrigerator.
All right.
But a darker beer would give it a little bit deeper flavor.
I'm going to do it walking taco style. I like that idea, Angie.
I only have 3 little bags of Fritos, but otherwise, otherwise do it in a bowl. Just take a big bag of Fritos. You don't have to splurge on the little ones, but yeah, super simple. Make the chili head, make it portable.
Yeah, and then people can customize it how they want to. If they like the sour cream, if they want little cheese, a lot of cheese, or different types of toppings.
Jalapenos.
Dice it up with some cilantro and onions.
Cilantro would be good.
That would be amazing.
Okay.
There you go. I love Fritos, by the way.
And we do have a walking taco recipe too. I put on the tailgating page, but you really don't need a recipe for walking tacos. Make your great taco meat, then your Doritos, crunch them up, throw your meat in. But
I'm so happy
two kind
right
of
now.
fun ideas, thinking outside the box.
No, I love that.
Stuff
You
like this for
always
tailgating.
bring really interesting recipes to the table. And every time that Angie's been on this fall, we have all of those recipes in a nice, easy section to find at BeefTips.com.
BeefTips.com, you'll see it right on the homepage. Click on the tailgating recipes. You'll find all the ones we've done and a couple more we haven't done yet.
All right.
At least we know the food's going to be good.
Yeah.
Yes, we do.
Not so sure about the football, though the Badgers could sure use a win.
Go, Bucky!